Liver diseases. The liver's main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. The liver also detoxifies chemicals and metabolizes drugs. As it does so, the liver secretes bile that ends up back in the intestines. The liver also makes proteins important for blood clotting and other functions. Liver disorders. Hepatitis, inflammation of the liver, caused mainly by various viruses, but also by some poisons, autoimmunity, or hereditary conditions. Cirrhosis is the formation of fibrous tissue in the liver, replacing dead liver cells. Cancer of the liver, primary hepatocellular carcinoma, or cholangiocarcinoma, and metastatic cancers, usually from other parts of the gastrointestinal tract. Other liver disorders include liver failure, ascites, gallstones, hemochromatosis, primary sclerosing cholangitis, and primary biliary cholangitis. The solution: MO-mito organelles, the next level in cellular therapy. And NOP nano-organopeptides, tissue repair therapy with potent active ingredients. Visit our website to know more.